Jonah. Jonah.
My wife. Mommy.
Saloba. Speaking will not kill me.
What be this? What be this?
Jonah.
Hey!
Baby, keke man.
Jonah Bekis. Hey! Anyanji fukwa ga akpona. Anyanji fukwa ga egbu na. Jonah Bekis, where are you coming from?
Can you give me water? Let me drink.
What ABC? You didn't take enough where you're coming from.
Ah!
Jonah, where are you coming from? Answer me. For the past 3 days, Abadinato, you left this house. Your phone switched off. Ibatana agusisi miri na say you want to can you give me?
Can you give me food? Let me eat food.
Jonah, where are you coming from? Answer me.
But let me sit down. I don't know.
See, Ebeki easy. Mini can agusisi Ebeki easy, Jonah.
My love. Azu.
Hi.
Azu no a fish swallowed me.
Hey.
70 years old man.
How can you say that kind of thing from your mouth and tell somebody? And you are proud.
Jonah. Jonah, you left your pregnant wife for 3 good days. Jonah? Isi no na where no where poor. Where no outside for 3 days, Abadinato. Knowing full well that your wife is heavy. Hey. Jonah Bekisi.
Baby,
I want to know.
I just told you now that a fish swallowed me.
Will you keep quiet? Hey, Chimo.
Sorry.
Hey, Jonah.
No.
Hey, Jonah, Wachuku. It was serious. A fish swallowed you.
I'm a minister of God. You know I cannot lie.
Hey.
Is me your husband, Pastor Jonah?
Jonah.
I cannot lie now.
Jonah, is this... Jonah, is this the new... Is this what you now call each other? You call her... Is this now what you call your side chicks? Yeah, is this what you call your side chick? Fish. Yeah, now you are not a fish. Jonah, your side chick fish swallowed you. Of course, why you not forget? 3 days, you are with her. Child. Oh, where release the egg? Recruit. Gather your things. Hi.
Baby, it's not that kind of fish. It's not all those isiazu kind of. I call it's not isiazu fish. Baby, I'm for life. Baby, remember that I'm a minister. It's me, Minister Jonah, Pastor Jonah. Baby, it's a little fish, my love. Understand me now. It is not, I don't have a side chick. You know me very well. It is fish, a little fish. Fish. Azu. Fish swallowed me, not side chick fish, not Azu. Fish swallowed me. I cannot lie to you. I'm a minister, I'm a pastor. You know me. Fish swallowed me.
So lion did not swallow you. Goat did not swallow you. Why must it be fish?
Can I explain myself to you?
I just gave you the opportunity. Why must it be fish?
You remember that I told you that I have a revelation where God asked me to go to Nineveh in Nobi to go and give them message that they should stop what they are doing. They say I should go to Nobi, go to Ekulobia, go to Aba and Okoso, cover Oyi local government, that I should go and tell them stop what they are doing, or God will punish them. And you know that God is a merciful God. So I said, God, the last time you told me to go to Mbaise and tell them to repent, that you will punish them. I went there, you did not punish them. So I will not go again. Now I leave camp. I say, let me launch back to you, my wife. So I say, let me enter ship. So in that ship, when I entered the ship, River Niger, we were there, and the ship started doing dancing, trying to capsize. Hey! And they begin cry. They begin cry. They begin to pray to God. Say, what is causing this ship to be dancing up and down, wanting to enter inside river? Now God can reveal to them that there is a man in this ship that is running away from him. And that man is me, Pastor Jonah. So immediately that they heard that I'm the one causing the ship to be capsizing, they now called me. While we were inside River Niger, they now called me and threw inside River Niger. So when they threw me inside River Niger, fish from nowhere came and swallowed me. I've been there for 3 days. It is my disobedience that caused it. Fish swallowed me for 3 days. I've been inside the fish belly for 3 days. I did not eat anything. I did not drink water. See, I've been inside fish for 3 good days, my love.
Wow. Hey! Hey! Chimo! Jonah!
On the Nobi.
Jonah! I would have danced. Don't touch me. I would have danced for you. Jonah! Story didn't talk. This your story, eh? Okay, win Oscar. Hey! Let's find Ugezu. He's going to direct this screenplay, eh? Okay, win Oscar. Jonah, so after meeting with your side chick, she now concocted this story for you. Jonah, you see my stomach? Are you seeing this thing? I swallowed the fish. Your own case, a fish swallowed you. My own case, I swallowed the fish. It's inside here. I swallowed
this
the
is
fish.
my baby inside.
Baby. So you think it, and you're expecting me to believe that a fish swallowed you, when you cannot believe that I swallowed a fish?
I love.
Jonah.
It is fish that.
Jonah.
Wait. The God I serve will vindicate me. God,
you see, he's using
only you know that I'm saying the truth to God.
Jonah!
Reveal to my wife that a fish swallowed me.
Jonah, a fish, you were in the ship, they threw you inside River Niger.
Yes.
Shark did not open mouth to swallow you. Crocodile did not open mouth to swallow you, Jonah. Mommy water did not touch you, did not come near you. Whale, sea fish, turtle, all those things now sea, river, a whole River Niger. Jonah, what swallowed you as big as you are? Fish.
Photo. Not be juju be that.
Hey, Jonah, 3 days came on him. You were inside the belly of a fish.
Yes.
You did not drink water.
Yes.
You did not eat food.
Yes.
Jonah, you still... Okay, what made the fish to bring you out? Can you feel me?
It's only God.
Hey!
It's only God.
Jonah, it's
only God. Oh,
Jonah. Hey,
baby. As you know.
Jonah.
Maybe it is feet as well.
Jonah, let me bring my bag.
Good work.
Can I put my bag and my shoe? We'll close this door. You show me that fish.
Yeah!
Show me.
How can I show you fish that swallowed me? The fish has entered inside River Niger now. How will I show you? My love.
Forget my bag. Let's go, Jonah.
Eh?
Can you come?
No.
Jonah,
I should come and do what?
Let's go and show me fish. The fish that swallowed you.
How will I know the fish that swallowed me?
You want to...
How will I know? No, can you go in? Let me eat first.
Jonah,
let me eat first now.
You did not eat for 3 days. And you survived.
I fasted.
Continue that fasting. You show me the fish that swallowed you.
Odogwu na Aisha.